But the most important thing is we won. So all these lapses have to be corrected before the next game.
Not lapses, from what you have said, it's like lack of confidence.
Yes, because lack of confidence actually brings lapses in the game, you know. When you don't have confidence, you tend to make a lot of mistakes. And that was the biggest problem. Hopefully, gradually, these guys will get used to playing here or in Nigeria. And Gabon, they were so relaxed and they played very well. If they were born, they could win 4-1 in Gabon. I don't see what's going on here. In the first half, the Gabonese players, they had more chances than we did. You know, we're making so many mistakes, literally passing the balls back to them. So I think it's just being afraid to play them. But I think these are young boys, they will get used to it gradually.
Okay. Are we seeing that you are bringing in new faces to build up this team?
Well, we always said this is not a finished product. We're still working. We said we still see more players. You understand? We start some more, you know, the tryouts and try to see how we can bring more players and help the team.
But going forward, do you think your team is, you have players that are close to the team that you really want for the national team?
Well, like you said today, we're struggling at home. So that we have to fix before we decide on doing anything. Most of them have not played here in Nigeria, we're in the national college. Only have played abroad and in foreign countries, and they did very well. We just need to kill this phobia or fear that we have playing here in Nigeria, and the boys will do it. You see, they're trying to make those passes, but never gets to where it's supposed to go. So it's a problem. We have to fix it.
Despite we don't play as our best performance, so the most important thing.
Well, the victory didn't come easy. 45 minutes, no goal. I'm sure the fans were joking. How were the players also feeling?
I would say in the first half we were feeling bad. We scored in Gabon 4-1. I know those people they will come out, but I know they will come out, they will come to Nigeria, they will come and play. But we thank God the game was easy because they go today. They want to last match.
But this 2-0 doesn't seem convincing. Is it that the squad is jewelry of the Nigerian fan? Are you guys scared to play in front of the Nigerian fan?
No, I can't say that because here is our home ground and this pitch is the pitch we are training, so I can't say we have scared them. Some games are hard, but the most important thing that we want to do is
actually, as I said earlier, the victory of the squad is going on. We have a lot of good scorers on the team, the likes of Etebo, I'm scoring is a little bit of hard work, coming match.
Okay, now, Junior, it seems now, are you going to still play a play with players? You know fully where you are the rave of the moment at this point in time. Bring down your mic down.
Like a little bit confidential. I want to concentrate on a lot of great tasks and so kind of concentrating on it.
Guys, you have to follow the Nigerian support, so that is it.
Thank you. But without the fans, you guys didn't seem to be impressive. When the fans come, what do you do?
No, I mean motivation. No motivation, no football.
Fan motivation?
Yeah.
Not money motivation?
No.
What is wrong? Is everything okay? You're talking as if your breath is finished.
Everything is okay, so I have to get some rest. So that is it.
Okay, but looking at your next game is against Zambia. Now you guys have crossed this round. It didn't come easy. You scored 4 away, you scored 2 at home. There should be a problem. What do you think is the problem?
It's not a problem for us. Like what I told you the first time. Sometimes you play bad, sometimes you play good. So I believe this is the day we didn't play to expectation, so we have to fix it up. So that is it.